Hello, hi everyone, welcome to the TMT Marketing Tool channel. In this video, I will share with you the method to get more views on your YouTube videos and have them suggested by YouTube within the first 2 hours. First, go to the video, copy the title or the main keyword of the video. Next, open the 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦 software. Go to the seeding section, select seeding view. Next, choose seeding by keyword and enter the list of keywords in this section. You can choose to skip ads, interact with likes, subscribe to the channel, share the channel on the community. After that, select the YouTube accounts you want to use for shipping. Okay. Now, you just need to start and your video will be recommended within the first 24 hours. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again.